In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping and tax for your Wix store. Now, setting up these details might sound daunting, but I'll guide you through it step by step, making sure it's as smooth as possible. So, let's dive in. To begin, navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything about your store. From here, look for the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your online store, including shipping and tax settings. Once you're in the settings, there's a handy search bar. Type in shipping to quickly locate the relevant section. This will narrow down your options and provide you with what you need. Next, select shipping, delivery, and fulfillment. Here you will set the groundwork for how your products get to your customers. On this page, you'll see various regions where you can offer shipping. Choose the region you are looking to set shipping rules for and hit Edit. Now, let's dive into defining the shipping rates. Click on the Add Rate button, then select Shipping as your method. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify how you want the shipping rate to be calculated. You have options based on different criteria, like weight, price, or a flat rate. Next, you'll be prompted to type a name that will appear at checkout. This helps your customers understand the shipping option they're selecting. Also, you'll need to estimate delivery time. This is an important piece of information for your customers to manage their expectations. Fill in the rate that you wish to charge at checkout. When you're done, click Add to save these settings. Now, let's move on to setting up tax rules. Head back to Settings and use the search bar again, but this time type in TA and click on Tax when it appears. Tax regulations can vary widely, so it's important to set these correctly. Hit Add Location to specify where you'll be charging tax. Enter the location details and click on Add State to include specific regions within that location, choosing the appropriate states. After selecting the state, you'll be entering the applicable tax rates. Type in the rates specific to that area, ensuring that you're in compliance with local laws. Once everything is in place, make sure to click Save. You wouldn't want to lose all your hard work. And there you have it. You've successfully set up shipping and tax options for your Wix store. This setup ensures your customers know exactly what to expect when they reach checkout, improving both your operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Wix!